pay or come no pagate mala do pagam no pagate ma o kitom no pay ni pagate ma Jesus feeds the 5,000 no kasi su do pagam ni pay ni ora yegato kera no yegato when Jesus heard that no has happened no back say su na hu wera tamata way no he withdraw by both privately to solitary place no the away ha talk with no withdraw ne what to talk with that no ma le no le kudu kili ha talk kudu no then ma la talo la no and ma asosu no hearing of this the crowd follow him and foot from the town no pagiten ma pana hu wane do no pagiten ma la bagamutir pha ne no bagamutir pha ne awe ha tho we mo no ha tho ro por ro khi do pagiten ma ha lo kho no ha lo kho no le tan khu ta ro pa sinya la ta ti ro pha yi si ko no bagamu tir pha ha lo kho no olo we ko we pu tir pha no we ha la kho no as evening approaches no pagiten ma la tu la mu ha lo ni no the disciples come to him and said no panene no patama pu have a shoe oro siwada no siwada dile this is a remote place no talawe e pagiten ma no remote place and is already getting late no away talawe ne bima dene ta paka hu ta lo do no leta no ko ta muhalo tili no pagiten ma no muhalo tili no asekili bima de mo no send the crowds away there are not sherlock we pagamu le yi no so they can go to the village and buy themselves some food no pagiten ma what they clever su no the wo pu lo what they ka we ora ano ka sara we no ta no self no some foods that ta no no what they could pu ora we they ta no Jesus replied they do not need to go away no they do not need to go away ka sai su tera what they ne ta lo le da yi ba no ta lo mara din ne ba no you give them something to eat you give them something to eat ever no do what they ta no ta no we have here only 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish no loaves 5 loaves da ne me da la ko ora yellow do nyaki bi no nyaki bi no ora ke they answer no do awati the past sisewe dinne mo no sisewe dinne no bring them here to me no awati da he sonia hey no so near pay mono era tebra bring them here to me he said no whatever and he directed the people to seek no away more over that no away more over that do ma pagamutir pha sino no on the grass no pagiten ma chino le pagiten ma no chino wala le no phokho mo no take the 5 loaves and the 2 fish and looking up to heaven no awa hina ku ye plero no ku ye plero nya khibi ro awa kwaro su munko no awa kwaro su munko ro he gave thanks and broke the loaves no loaves do phane ro awa siblik saywa no siblik saywa no do awa pagiten ma no suble we ro no then he gave them to the disciple no we run it away he laura su pagiten ma pata ma photir pha no and the disciples give them to the people no run it no pa disciple ne no away pata ma phone he laura ta su paganyo tir pha ne no they all ate and were satisfied no pagiten ma awati oweda no awati hubaka no awati hubaka popwe no and the disciple pick up trash basket full of broken pieces that no real leftover no but no away no patama put it ma who turkey without a pura no not sicky blur love again mala a loss to no play it packer like no no away it party weapon leftover sit on a party weapon no away party weapon no the number of those who ate was about 5,000 men besides women and children no Pagtera mane anogi no dwan no anogi no dwani ero tebra la no awati owera ni te po kwale ne ora yekto no awani pomu no puta ti pat pat no besides women and children only just men of 5,000 men no awani paganyo o yekto no this a follow Jesus no leta no kora pakro patu pata pesikolo Payne, Pekalevera su talot covera sicola, no? Matthew chapter 15, no? Matthew chapter 15, verse 29 to the end talk about this too. This the same Jesus doing the miracles and the feeding people. All people follow him, no? Payne, Jesus feed the 4,000, no? Jesus feed the 4,000 people. Jesus left theirs and went along the seas of Galilee. No, kasai sune away pagden ma hatokura do we ora na no tikle yade wa ba call Galilee no pagden ma no Galilee no devra phani mo no do phani then he went out on the mountainside and sat down no away hatokura no kasir do khu do we sin away no sin away phani Great crowd come to him, no, but have su no, have poroki, no, poroki bunny, no, bringing the land, the blind, and the crippled, and the mute, and many others, and laying them on his feet, and he healed them. But tell them a penny pogomu do you know, by over meditita cripple pakohago no muse pakatura baba no blind patatida no do blone pa aga no pakatrama hepara su no a menya no konyata menya do he healed them no aware pakatrama ma blacky were awathick like no the people were amazing when they saw the muse speaking no Pani of Paganyote Lock a Merkama way or Tiweda, Pagaterma, Tiweda, Talolo Lola, Tama Thala, no, Qua, the Urga Katuda, new speaking, not no. They saw the new speaking, no, little Kuda, the cripple makes well, no, the cripple make well, no, Pakoha was sick on her heart, Pagatermala, Aquanyala way. The lands walking and the blind seeing, no. Pagitera mala takapo, no, Pagitera tiba way do pal a mebnoted fasicone, no, Pagitera tigitalo, and they praise the gods of Israel, no. No run at what they sit up with no, Pagakasayua, love by Shile of Kasaya, no. Jesus called his disciple to him, no. No Kaseshu Kovada, no a playboy su opuni and said, not Davida. I has compassion for these people, no, they have already been with me 3 days and have nothing to eat. No, what they Uroyane, Thedoli, Mono, Thedoli, no, what they to over no to me, I do not want to send them away, no, hungry. Jetero circuit of what they learn a Shiva, no, what they no, Lata, Pagramata, 3 tawi a permanent, all the way. No collapse on the way no putema away the collab will lot of su clay punilo no away the erotive no his brother no where the collab will lot of penicicolo his disciple answer no where Watama put it party to where could we get enough bread in this remote place to fish just and a crown no Get back a hune tauta or talo pelimono. Let no quota on it, talot a toy, no, but then my pack a huta, lord, not out a lord uba, no, but do oh, Pagomute, Yanni, but do a cathedral, no, entertainment. How many lovers do you have Jesus out, no? Get to cope when lole, no, because I should be quite to cope when lole, no? 7 they replies no and a few small fish no pagten ma wan nuilo no do bura ko sisi ka po sabi mo no so ko sisi no nya sisi ka po sabi mo no tera no he told the crowd to sit down on the ground no do awe tevera pagamutir phala sino lo no pagten ma no phoku no lo haku phoku mo no. Then he took the 7 lovers and the fish. No, away he never could wilo do no, but them a nyat no, nya no. Pen a pussy did palm no, what did I know? No, and when he has give thanks no, pay away he not sit up with Kane, no sit up to Rakane. He broke them and give them to the disciple no. Away my blake away suble no ma. Pagdama aware makaku wedado no away he lower su patama put it part on no error David didn't no and that entrance to people no when away theater ban a kakanak is baganya oro he lower da it panel no they all ate and were satisfied no what the over where le pupwe no what the pan no Afterward, the disciple picked up 7 basketful of broken pieces that were left over. No, I want it. Now get up, where you are non nibble, no 7, no. There are non nibble, no, where you are tablet set it upon it, no. I want it, but it's a money, what the party upon it. The number of those who ate was 4,000 beside women and children, no? A 4,000, no? Pa ora a permuni, Paganyo ora a Luicato, no? A one it a pakuri, Pomudo, no? Pusati the Panediba, no? After Jesus has set the crown away, no? Paganama. We are lucky, because I should circle Pagamula Ginelo. He get into the boat and went to the vicinity and the Magada. No, away leverasu vicinity le Magadanelo, away levenilo. Think about this: when people follow you, you want to be do very good things, right? This is a great opportunity you should be do. Jesus never failed any other person, okay? Jesus loved every person. The brain, the crippled, the brain, the blind, okay? Blind, the brain, so many people, okay? Jesus healing every person because Jesus loved the world so much. You know that this is a very, very good thing, right? I want to tell you about that. This is mean very, very. I love so much to Jesus because of he doing so many good things, healing, raising from the dead, okay, and then he giving food to other people. There are people they follow him, okay. They worry about this. They were hungry on the roads. So many things. This is a very good thing, okay. Let us look at baklo patu patalo betamu puno pakamadi le pakodi le pakodi le no do baklo pakamara le agri about krowe no do we understand about the disciple follow Jesus. They talk about where we find the lovers. Think about where we find the food. Think about this place are the remote place. This is means a very, very strange one, okay. Nobody can go back to the city, okay. The city is so far, maybe village so far to this place. Why people follow Jesus? They need Jesus to heal them, okay, help them, okay. They are happiness. They have happiness. They don't need to worry so much. They don't talk about, oh, I don't have food. They don't talk about that, okay. we stay here where you going, we stay here. This means, okay, Jesus don't want to send away. This is very touched my heart. Okay, Jesus said, how shall I send their way? Okay, they were hungry in the roads, right? This is mean very good thing, no? Kita nak apa kerja patu patah lepas tamu pun, no? Kesah Yesus selalu ada apa kerja tidak pada awak kaporo aki, no? Kalau wera lekler boy ini, no? Pagamu lo pon kita pakai sawi lobby, no? Kalau lobby lotol awak tidak tamu pun, mungkin ni le, no? Permisan telak wedine tu lo awak tidak pada orang takut sekolah. Kasai su no kasara mane doa wete wi maro no shaki we wete su talo tit phani lo no leta no khora moya kasu itu su ki ba ko mu tit phala kwa ta mu wi do tu ko ne ma ta tu me ta mu ta tu ta khne ki no. God bless you. God will take care of your family. Say God stay with you. Okay, God bless your whole family. May God bless you all. Bye bye, brother and sister. We see you later again.